we guide you through how to factory reset your PC or laptop without a password. So the first thing you need to do is to power on your device, and when you reach the login screen, press and hold the Shift key while clicking the power icon and selecting Restart to open the recovery environment. Once the blue screen appears, choose Troubleshoot, then click Reset this PC. After that, select either Keep My Files if you want to retain personal files or remove everything for a full clean reset. Next, choose Local Reinstall to reset using files already on your device or cloud download if you have internet for a fresh copy of Windows. Confirm your selection and click Reset. Your system will now begin to process and restart several times, so just wait until it's finished. Once done, you'll be greeted with setup screen where you can create a new account and password.